Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in Android series, we are discussing the activity life cycle and first of all we are taking a diagram in which we will understand how the activity work. After that we will take an example also. With the help of example we will understand whole the life cycle of activity. So in this tutorial I'm just going to explain the life cycle of activity. First of all you see that life whenever we click on an Android program. So the first screen open and that screen is called activity. Activity is a having a combination of two files. First is a layout and second one is a Java source code. So here when we click on activity, then the onCreate method execute. First of all, in this onCreate method, we create an object, initialize the all object which we are using in activity like button, text box, checkbox, all these we just initialize here. And then after that on start function executes. After on starts, on resume function execute. Then the activity is running. On resume means the activity is in running form. Now you are working on the application of Android. After that, when we minimize the application, then on pause method execute, or maybe we have a phone call, we are working on a WhatsApp or some other application, and meanwhile we get a phone call. So when we get a phone call, then it goes to the on pause. So whenever just we receive the phone and close the phone and we go back to the previous activity, just like WhatsApp, we are doing WhatsApp and after call just we go to WhatsApp. So then it resume, means pause and resume. So pause and resume is a cycle which automatically execute whenever we give the focus to the application, then on resume. Whenever lose the focus from the activity is called on pause. Then stop, activity stop, and after stop we have to create a activity. Whenever stop, sometime we we are working on a WhatsApp, then we close the WhatsApp, but that particular WhatsApp or application is available in a memory. In a home tab we click and we can see there are so many applications are open. So those applications, those are not destroyed from the memory, still are present, then it's called on stop. So after on stop, it go to on create, and again the same cycle is start, on resume, on pause, stop. Once your activity is stop, so you can restart also. On restart, you can restart also, you can kill also, then on create. Okay, on stop you can kill, maybe the application kill, again it launch, and it is restart also. On restart it go to on start, it does not go to on create. So it go to restart. Sometime we stop the application and we open and it restart, go to start, then resume, then pause. And when we destroy the activity, then it destroy from the memory, and we do not run the application again. Okay, then after destroy, that means the data is removed, all the application from the memory is destroyed, and again we want to run that same application. Then we have to again click on the application and then again on create, then on start, on resume, then on resume and on pause is a cycle whenever you're working. Then stop to on create. Once application is stopped, then we have to go to on create, or it restart and we go to start. So this is the life cycle. Now we see the example of this in terms of application on Android. So this is my application. So I'm creating a new application in Android, in which I'm creating a new activity and giving a name, my activity life cycle example. Okay, example, then finish. So automatically It will launch a new Android Studio coming, and we can close the previous one also. We can close the previous one, progress bar example. Now is a new one. Now you see the application have been launched. So here we just adjust the screen and we can increase the zooming. Select the hello world and delete it. So here we can make a coding. So here what we have to show, I have to show the life cycle of activity. So just I am giving a one list view just to show this is activity. We can test the screen also. We can click on this button, infer button, and here we can give the vid also, match parent. Okay, and we can give the text activity life cycle example, or we can give size also, text size 30 dp. We can give the text alignment also, center. So it's just to show, not doesn't mean any value here, just we are giving life cycle example. So we go to Java code. Here we have to do the coding. First of all, here we are displaying toast in a on crate dot make test get application contexts, then on crate. Okay, showing a on crate method, then toast dot duration length short, and then we say show. Okay, same text I have to copy and paste for other function also. So what I have to do, I have to come on a class after on crate. Here we have to go right click on this and go to generate, then we have to go to override, and here I have to select the function like on start and press the control key also, then on stop, on destroy, then scroll down while pressing a control key. Remember, key should be pressed, control key should be pressed, then on resume, on pause, on resume. So all these method I am just overriding. On restart also I can take if it is also available. On restart. Okay, later on I will take this also. So again click OK. So these are the function which is on start, on stop, on destroy, on pause, on resume, and I can override also. One more I can say on restart. Just go to again generate, override, and we can search here also on restart, on restart. Okay, so okay, on restart also. So what we have to do now, we have to paste the text on crate. Here I can display on restart, then I can press on a start, then on a stop, just control V, and on stop, then on destroy, on destroy, and then on pause, and then on resume. So in all the methods I'm putting is toast method, just to show you that how the activity is running. Now I click on this to run the program. It asks for emulator, so I'm using a blue stack here. So blue stack comes with the assumption name, so click on this. It take little bit time, taking little bit of time. It's coming. Now you see it will be installer here, and you see on create, on start, then on resume. Now you are in active. Okay, so when we minimize, so we can minimize like this. Okay, then we go back again. If this one, so it will show on create, on start, on resume, and if I click on, it automatically close. I don't have a option to show you destroy also. We can make minimization. Okay, then we click on this. You see on stop, on restart. Okay, I go back to home, then again I come back. It say on resume, on pause, then on stop, then again on restart, on start, and on resume coming. Okay, so all these types of things comes because it's lives. It look like a single screen, but this particular activity having lots of methods. Whenever we require the methods need, we can do the coding as per the requirement. But basically we use on create method. But suppose we want to play some song on the background, so we can play background song when the activity is is visible to you. So we make coding in on resume. So when we want to stop the sound at the background, so we go the coding for on pause method. So as per the requirement, we make the function override and use. So this was the life cycle of activity. Next, I will see you in intent examples.